Unraveling Thanks for the hint, a guide to appreciating subtle advice. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, thanks for the hint. Understanding this phrase not only helps in everyday conversations but also enriches your comprehension of subtle language cues. Stick around as we explore the layers of meaning and usage behind this simple yet profound expression. At its core, thanks for the hint is an expression of gratitude towards someone who has given a subtle suggestion or piece of advice without directly stating it. The key here is subtlety. A hint is a gentle or indirect indication about something. It's not an explicit instruction but rather a nudge in the right direction. Context plays a crucial role in interpreting this phrase. Depending on the tone and the situation, thanks for the hint can have different connotations. Positive appreciation. Used genuinely to express gratitude when the hint was helpful or provided insight. Sarcasm or frustration. When the hint was unwelcome, obvious, or patronizing, the phrase might be used sarcastically. Understanding the context and the speaker's tone is essential to grasp the intended meaning fully. To use this phrase effectively, consider these tips. Be genuine. If you're truly grateful for the hint, your tone and body language will convey sincerity. Match the context. Ensure your use of the phrase aligns with the situation. Is it a moment for genuine thanks, or are you highlighting an unnecessary suggestion? Be mindful of cultural differences. Remember, the perception of subtlety and indirect communication can vary significantly across cultures. What's considered a polite hint in one culture might be seen as overly vague in another. Thanks for the hint is more than just a simple thank you. It's a versatile phrase that can convey a range of emotions and reactions depending on the context. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this expression effectively in your conversations. Remember, mastering the subtleties of language opens new doors to effective communication. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you.